Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Today I will show you how to play Roblox. Go to your web browser, then go to roblox.com. Then create your account. Then log into your account. Now from the top, click Discover. Here you can see there are many games to play. Most of them are free. You can also search the keyword you want to play. Click any game you want to play. Then click green play icon to play this game. Remember, you must have to download Roblox apps to play this game. After getting into the game, from the top left, there is menu item. Click there. Here you can see the people who are playing this game. Click help to see how to play this game with keyboard. You can change the setting, graphics setting, volume and etc. If you want to leave this game, click leave. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.